All right, water's on. Go ahead and start her. Cut it off and start her up. And cut it off and start her up. This is the boat that came in because it wouldn't turn over. Pop it in gear, give it a little gas. Prop clear. Okay. Reverse. And trim her up. This is an interesting boat. Picked it up from us beginning of the summer, put it in the water, and obviously never started it, not much anything. You can see the water line slowly during the summer creeped up. Slowly, I may add, because you've got calcium lines all along the outdrive. You got calcium lines that are growing up there. But the prop was never turned after it was put in the water because there's no growth on that part. So they dropped it in the water, never started it, and then it just kept on filling up with water because of the rain. And they tried to start it and it didn't, but starting great today.